Now, the Stadium East is set for a major transformation as part of the government's redevelopment of the National Stadium complex. More in this report.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange says plans to transform the National Stadium into a modernized world-class facility is now in its final stages. Providing an update during her contribution to the Sectoral Debate on Tuesday, the minister indicated that the Stadium East facility will also be improved significantly during the project.
We intend for Stadium East to become a 4,000-seat capacity venue with a track and field setup which will be similar to the main stadium.
A sports hall and a throws training area will also be added to the Independence Park.
I'm pleased today to announce that we will also construct two well-needed facilities during this redevelopment. The first is a new sports hall, which will be a flexible multi-sport, multi-use, naturally ventilated facility for training and also competition. We're also constructing a throws area which will facilitate training in shot put, discus, hammer, and javelin. The throws area will incorporate shelters for when athletes are resting and will provide easy access to the sports hall, gym, and changing facilities.
Minister Grange gave further updates on the overall project, which will see roof coverage and shade for every seat.
We have completed the feasibility study. We have completed the concept design. And now we're into the detailed design stage. We will increase seating capacity to 37,500 with roof coverage and shade for every seat. There will be improved views from every seat. We will move the seats closer to the action and improve safety for everyone.
The redevelopment will also feature new hospitality lounges, media suites, and upgraded parking facilities. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.